Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth from The Smart Stitcher. In this week's tutorial, I'm just introducing my upcoming series on using Affinity Designer to create patterns. We're going to be starting with some really quite simple patterns, showing you how to use symbols, creating blocks, sort of testing the pattern out, before moving on to introducing other ways in which you can create patterns. I'll be showing you some examples of my work. This was one of the first tiles I sort of created, and then how I put that into a particular design, before moving on and looking at how you can use your hand-drawn designs and sort of turn them into something on the computer. We also use some mandalas to help us with that, and I show you a couple of ways of setting up your mandalas so that you can draw them on the computer, or you can work with your own freehand drawings. Now, this tutorial is aimed at beginners, people that aren't particularly techie. If you are a tech person, this isn't going to be for you. A friend recommended Affinity Designer to me a couple of years ago, and I am in no way affiliated or anything else. This is just some software that I've had some success with in creating my designs, and I wanted to share that and help other people. This is particularly useful if you're looking at things like print on demand or any sort of surface printing and pattern, and then you can transform your designs into those digital art creations as well.